In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check voided sent envelopes in Docusign. If you're managing important documents and rely on Docusign for electronic signatures, it's crucial to know how to track and manage your envelopes, especially when they are voided. So let's break this down step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. First, you need to head over to Docusign. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and entering www.docusign.com. Docusign is a leader in electronic signature solutions, providing a streamlined platform for managing agreements intelligently and securely. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your Docusign account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is the control center where you manage all of your documents and transactions. From here, you want to navigate to the Agreements section. Lucky for us, this is a straightforward task. Simply look for the Agreements tab or option on the homepage and click on it. You might find this under your dashboard menu. Now that you're in the Agreements section, you need to look for another option titled Status. Clicking on Status will give you access to all your envelope activities. This area is particularly important because it provides you with a status summary of all the envelopes you've sent or received, including if any have been voided. If you're specifically looking for voided envelopes, you may need to use filters or search directly for envelopes with a voided status. To enhance your efficiency within Docusign, keep in mind the importance of familiarizing yourself with the features and options available in the Agreements and Status sections. These functions may vary slightly depending on updates or software interface improvements, but generally they remain intuitive and user-friendly. It's important to regularly review your envelope statuses to stay updated on your document management needs. Doing so helps in managing agreements effectively, ensuring you're aligned with timeliness and follow-ups. Voided envelopes can often hold critical information or highlight actions requiring attention or correction, making this an essential part of your document workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you now feel more confident navigating Docusign to manage your sent envelopes. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult Docusign's help resources or customer support for more detailed guidance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that make your digital workflows smoother and more efficient.